Welcome to the 7th video on beginning HTML. In the previous video, we set up a web link to an outside URL. In this video, we're going to set up a link within the same page, which will function like a table of contents. We'll set up a link to an article that's further down the page. We're going to use all the tags we've discussed in previous videos. First, let's set up our table of contents by creating an unordered list. Remember from the previous video that we covered how to do this. We need to put in list elements inside the list tags. Next, we'll create our anchor tag, which is the link to the section we want to navigate to within the same page. We'll use the href attribute with a hashtag to indicate that it's a link to an element within the page. For example, we'll call this section birds, so the href will be hashtag birds. We'll also create another section, for example, fish, and follow the same steps. After setting up the table of contents, we'll create the sections lower down the page, each with an anchor tag that matches the corresponding href attribute. To make this realistic, let's add some break tags for spacing. Then, we'll use the paragraph tag to create some text and anchor tags to link the sections. The name attribute in the anchor tag will match the href attribute from the table of contents. After setting this up, save your file and open it in a browser. Clicking on the birds link will jump to the article about birds, and clicking on the fish link will jump to the section about fish. That's how it works. Alright, that will do for now and see you in the next video.